We just got a call from our buddy. He is going to be working on the Eldorados for us, getting a couple things buttoned up. And so it's lunchtime. We've been working on some other projects, the office project. We're headed to go get some lunch and pick up my truck at Palestine Tire Center. I was gonna say Denson's, but they're the same thing. We're headed there now, so let's go. Dude, what do you think about those?
Biggins.
Dude, those are crazy. Yeah. That lip.
They are 37, 13, 50, 26.
26s on a lifted F-150. I think it's got the 5.0 in it. It'll sound good with some exhaust. These are good looking tires too. What are those?
I don't know what them tires are.
Amp. Some
Let's go get this
terrain. What kind of wheels are these? Tires are those? Huh. All right, cool. All right. We haven't been in the Raptor in a couple days.
No.
That ain't no regular F-150.
That's a... This ain't no regular F-150, it's a Raptor.
It's a Raptor. Sucker's still as dirty as it ever was.
Key battery low, replaced soon.
Hey, replace the key battery.
Replace that Tesla radio.
Yes. All right, see you, Palestine Tire Center. Ooh, got that electric trunk.
Pop trunk.
Man, I'm ready to start driving these.
They're nice too. That one's, somebody's redone the seats in it, but they're nice.
What you think about it, Troy? Did you see the interior on this other one? Give it a rating. Give it a rating. What would you rate this interior since you're the interior guy? I want the interior.
73.
1973. Now you tell me what that interior looks like. Is that a good interior? He said, good Lord.
They all look like this on the outside when we got them.
That sucker's nice, isn't it? If the wheel was, that's the only thing that's wrong with
And the
it.
armrest on the other side's got a little
Yeah.
crack in it.
Look how beautiful this interior is. Does it open?
I'm surprised those weren't too tall.
It's pretty close. Is it cutting it close? Let's see. Oh yeah. We need removable fenders.
Yeah.
Right, we are at Walt's house.
Did you put the keys inside?
No, you got the keys in your pocket. Right here, see? They're right there.
I got one key in my pocket. We're gonna drop off the L-Dog.
Heck yeah. Yeah, we're good. Looks good, man. Perfect. We're dropping this sucker off at the Cadillac man's, Walt's.
Hello. That's a 76 Eldorado.
Oh, it's a 70. You know by
The
just
hook
looking at
They're
it.
painted. They're painted the same color as the car was.
This one's got mismatched ones all around
Yeah.
it. We tried to find some matching ones there, but we
They're hard to
couldn't.
find.
Walt's had a lot of Cadillacs. That's why we brought the Cadillac to Walt.
He loves him some Cadillacs.
If you was gonna ask questions around town about a Cadillac, everybody would tell you to ask Walt. All right, Caddy is nestled away.
Number one.
Caddy number one.
We're gonna bring the other one over here after that one's done.
Yep.
So he's gonna work on the brakes and then check her out, see what all we need to do to it to get it roadworthy. Definitely
yeah, just
need
any
to.
leaks and he's the carburetor genius too. He's the carburetor man, so he
Yeah.
can have that carburetor. He'll have that car running better than it ran new.
All right, let me help you with this.
All right.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to pick up the Eldorado, and it's in this shop right over here.
The Eldorado is ready for us to beat the streets in it.
Almost. We got to go hit tires and rims, and let's get this Eldorado.
I'm excited.
Yeah, because he said it's not cold-natured anymore.
He got it. He's the man on the carburetor. He's got it running and purring like a kitten. Look at her. Sitting over there in the corner. There he is.
The man, the myth, the legend,
Mr. Pageant.
Walt.
Walt's gonna crank up our caddy and get it out of here. Watch this fast start. Cold start. Like a kitten. She's beautiful. Thank you, Walt.